Hey guys, I'm Ethan from Stockman Supply with Jacob from TrueTrac. So we're at the Woodstock Wood Show this weekend. One question that I get all the time, Jacob, is it's pretty simple. You sell Tracksaws. Why, in general, are Tracksaws so expensive?
Okay. So the main reason that your Tracksaw systems are so expensive is that the companies that make them want to sell you the saw as well as the track. So they're really more interested in selling you the saw, and the track's almost an afterthought.
Okay. Interesting. So now what you do, I guess it's a little bit different, is the customer provides their own saw.
Yeah, you can use any kind of circular saw. We have a universal adapter plate here. It goes on the bottom of any saw. So it's a completely flat base. So as long as you can custom drill the base of your saw, you can bolt it onto that plate. It doesn't matter if it's left hand, right hand, worm drive, battery powered, corded. It's completely up to you.
So if the saw is out of the question, I guess, what makes this track different or comparable or better than other tracks
Okay.
that are out there?
So the big thing is how the plate interacts with the track itself. We use beveled edges here on the bottom of the plate and also on the top of the track. And that's how we eliminate any and all side-to-side play. So the plate actually rides on the beveled edges, and there are gaps between the flats, okay? On top of that, the track itself is heavier, and we can also add more than one piece together. So you have two parallel grooves here on the bottom, and we use dovetail connectors to put the two pieces together. So when you tighten down the set screws in the dovetail grooves, it completely self-aligns everything between the two pieces of track. You can take it out to 8 feet, you can take it out to 12 feet, 16 feet, as long as you want to go.
Very cool. Awesome. And it's not very difficult to attach your own saw there. Like, how crucial is getting the blade perfectly parallel with the track? I think that's important.
It is. So
Okay.
what we do is every one of your kits is going to have this little black piece of plastic, has a rabbeted lip right here. And what that allows you to do is that goes against the edge of the adapter plate, and this spaces it to the body of your blade. So the body of your blade,
not the teeth.
yeah,
Okay,
I don't want
okay.
the teeth. We care about the body. And what it does is it makes sure that the body of your blade is parallel to this adapter plate.
Yep.
Right? And it also makes sure you have the right spacing so you can use the anti-chip strips on the edge of the track.
Okay, because if the blade's not positioned in the right spot, you'll miss the strip.
Or you might hit the track.
Or you might hit the track, absolutely.
Yep.
Ah, very good. So yeah, if anyone else has any other questions on Tracksaws or any other products, let us know. And thank you, Jacob, for your help there.
You're welcome.
And if anyone else, you can send us an email at info@stockmansupply or just comment on this video. Thank you.
Have a good one, guys.